Keep coming back, slow now. All right, hold it right there. Here's another large one.
Solid.
Got it. Placing it now.
Clear space for the next delivery.
Ensuring the highest quality, each jackfruit undergoes meticulous inspection before moving to the next stage.
Our state-of-the-art facility uses advanced automation to process the jackfruit with precision.
Our state-of-the-art facility uses precision machinery to sort the fruit based on size, ensuring consistent quality for our snack production.
Our state-of-the-art machinery precisely removes the jackfruit stems, followed by an automated sterilization cycle for the blades.
The jackfruit undergoes meticulous manual sorting along the conveyor line, ensuring only the highest quality fruit moves forward.
Floats. To ensure maximum hygiene, our chefs utilize metal mesh safety gloves for precise and efficient peeling before
The vibratory separator efficiently separates the golden pods from the heavier brown seeds, ensuring a clean product stream for the next stage.
The first step is carefully de-seeding the fresh jackfruit pods in our state-of-the-art facility.
The automated slicing machine ensures consistent product quality, precisely calibrated by our quality control team before every use.
The flow rate on belt 3 is optimized.
Noted. The moisture levels look consistent.
Here we see the precise draining stage, where the perforated belts remove moisture, a critical step in our modern processing line.
Here, the precisely cut jackfruit is quickly submerged in our industrial fryers at optimal temperature, ensuring the perfect crunch.
The jackfruit chips are deep fried until achieving this perfect golden color, then lifted mechanically to drain the excess oil efficiently.
Once perfectly golden brown, the jackfruit chips are moved from the fryer to the perforated conveyor belt, allowing excess oil to drain away.
Inside the seasoning drum, the jackfruit chips are precisely tumbled and coated with a fine mist of seasoning, a critical step for flavor consistency.
Our automated system ensures a precise and even application of seasoning, guaranteeing consistent flavor across every chip.
The seasoned jackfruit chips move along the vibratory conveyor, allowing excess powder to be reclaimed and reused.
Here on the packaging line, efficiency is key. The bags are sealed and labeled with precision by the automated system.
Here on the packaging line, our state-of-the-art machinery applies a protective coating as the products move swiftly down the belt.
The sealed jackfruit snacks move rapidly along the conveyor belt, undergoing precise inspection by the automated camera system to ensure perfect quality.
Utilizing state-of-the-art robotics, the jackfruit snacks are precisely packaged, maintaining the highest levels of hygiene and efficiency.
At the packing station, our team ensures every bag of jackfruit chips is carefully inspected and placed into boxes for shipment.
The automated labeling machine precisely applies a barcode to each box, ensuring efficient tracking through the modern facility.
Each shipment is meticulously scanned to ensure accurate tracking and efficient inventory management within the facility.
Here at the processing center, automation ensures peak efficiency. The robotic arms precisely move the packaged jackfruit snacks to the next stage.
Once packaged, the jackfruit products are carefully transported across the warehouse to the loading bay, ready for distribution.
Pallet 34B, loaded and secured. Manifest confirmed.